Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, grilled chicken with Mac Khen, an extremely attractive dish imbued with the identity of the Northwest region. How to make it. Prepare ingredients: 1 chicken about 1.2 kilograms, Mac Khen 3 teaspoons, lightly roast then pound or grind to create a fragrant aroma. For lemongrass stalks, peel, chop finely. 1 garlic bulb, peel. 2 shallots, peel. 1 small ginger, peel. 7 lemon leaves, thinly slice. 2 fresh chili peppers. 1 tablespoon honey. Fish sauce, seasoning powder, cooking oil. Steps to make it: clean the chicken, rub with salt and ginger to remove the odor, rinse with clean water and drain. You can use a knife to make a few light cuts on the chicken body, especially the thighs and breast, so that the spices can penetrate more easily. Crush the mixture: lemongrass, garlic, shallots, ginger, fresh chili, and a little shredded kaffir lime leaves. Mix the crushed mixture with the remaining spices: Mac Khen, fish sauce, seasoning powder, honey, and cooking oil. Use half of the spice mixture to rub evenly inside and outside the chicken. Make sure the spices get into the slits that have been cut. Stuff the remaining spices into the chicken's cavity. Marinate the chicken for about 3 hours so that the chicken absorbs the spices evenly. Grill the chicken, use the oven, bake at 180 degrees for about 40 to 50 minutes. Turn the chicken over and brush with oil or chicken fat every 15 minutes. Presentation and enjoyment. After grilling, the chicken will have a beautiful golden brown color, crispy skin, and soft, fragrant meat. Place the whole chicken or cut it into bite-sized pieces on a plate. Garnish with herbs, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and especially shredded kaffir lime leaves. Enjoy. This dish should be eaten while it is still hot. Dip it with cham chio, a typical Northwest dipping sauce made from salt, chili, Mac Khen, garlic, ginger, lemon leaves, and coriander, to enhance the spicy, aromatic, and rich local flavor. Serve with sticky rice and bamboo rice. Things to note: choose a chicken weighing less than 1.5 kilograms to ensure the meat is firm, sweet, and cooked quickly. Processing Mac Khen: it is necessary to roast Mac Khen in a hot pan for about 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant, then pound it. Marinating chicken: the longer the marinating time, the more flavorful the chicken will be. Lightly scoring or using the tip of a knife to prick the chicken before marinating is very important for the spices to penetrate deeply. Controlling the grilling fire: this is the most important step. Grill with a moderate charcoal fire, not a high fire. A high fire will burn the chicken skin on the outside while the inside is still raw. Turn the chicken regularly and evenly. Creating moisture: during the grilling process, brushing cooking oil or chicken fat mixed with a little marinade on the chicken skin not only helps the skin to be shiny and beautiful, but also keeps the chicken from drying out. Grilled chicken with Mac Khen is one of the most famous specialties of ethnic minorities in the northwest region of Vietnam, especially the Thai people. This dish conquers diners with the perfect combination of firm, naturally sweet chicken meat, and the salt flavor of the mountains and forests. Mac Khen, a type of wild pepper with a spicy, aromatic taste, completely different from conventional spices. When grilled on hot coals, the chicken skin is golden brown, crispy, soaked in spices, exuding the characteristic aroma of Mac Khen, lemongrass, chili, and lemon leaves. Enjoying grilled chicken with Mac Khen with sticky rice or bamboo rice and dipping it with cham chio, a typical dipping sauce of the Northwest, is an unforgettable culinary experience. Our video ends here. Thank you and see you in the next episodes with lots of great recipes.